Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to edit mobile view on Squarespace. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and make sure you log in to squarespace.com where you already have your mobile web page. Once done, click on the mobile view on the upper right. In here, you will see your website in mobile view. Once you're here, you can already start editing. To do so, tap on Edit on the upper left. Now zoom in by pressing Ctrl and your mouse wheel. In here, you will see options to edit content, edit section, to remove pages as well over at your website. See, all the possibilities are all here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well.